What if I told you that you don't have to spend over $1,000 to get an amazing drone? The all-new Potensic Atom 2 is proving that premium features don't always come with a premium price tag. From crisp 4K video and intelligent flight modes to impressive battery life and a compact design, this drone is getting a lot of attention. But does it really deserve the hype? Let's find out. Welcome back to Drone Dominator, the channel where we bring you honest drone reviews, real-world flight tests, and the latest drone technology. Today, we're taking a complete look at the Potensic Atom 2 to see whether it's one of the best value drones you can buy right now. Right out of the box, the Potensic Atom 2 makes a great first impression. It's lightweight, foldable, and compact enough to fit easily into a backpack, making it an excellent choice for travel, outdoor adventures, or everyday flying. Even though it's small, the build quality feels solid and well-designed, giving it a premium feel that's hard to expect at this price. Once you launch the drone, the first thing you'll notice is how stable it is in the air. Thanks to its advanced flight control system, the Atom 2 holds its position confidently and delivers smooth, controlled movement. Whether you're flying over a beach, a mountain trail, or your local park, it feels responsive and easy to control, even if you're a beginner. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Potensic Atom 2 really stands out. It records sharp 4K video with rich colors, excellent detail, and smooth stabilization. Whether you're capturing cinematic landscapes, family vacations, road trips, or content for YouTube and social media, the footage looks clean, professional, and ready to share. Photo quality is equally impressive, producing detailed images with natural color and sharpness. Battery life is another major advantage. Under normal flying conditions, you can expect around 30 to 32 minutes of flight time on a single battery. That gives you plenty of time to explore different locations, capture multiple angles, and enjoy the flight without constantly worrying about landing to recharge. The Potensic Atom 2 also comes packed with intelligent flight features that make content creation much easier. Modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Quick Shots help you capture smooth cinematic shots with just a few taps. These features are especially useful for beginners who want professional-looking results without needing advanced flying skills. The controller feels comfortable and well-balanced, while the mobile app is clean, simple, and easy to navigate. Setting up the drone takes only a few minutes, making the entire flying experience enjoyable from start to finish. When it comes to value, the Potensic Atom 2 is one of the strongest competitors in its class. Depending on the package you choose, the price is generally around $399 to $399, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants premium features without paying flagship prices. So, is the Potensic Atom 2 worth buying? If you're looking for a compact drone with reliable performance, beautiful 4K video, long battery life, and smart flight features at a reasonable price, the answer is yes. It offers an outstanding balance of performance, portability, and affordability, making it a great choice for both first-time pilots and experienced drone enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest drone reviews. Also, let me know in the comments which drone you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.